and today I'm going to show you how to do the Funky Town Tik Tok trend, which is very easy to learn. It's going to be really fast. So, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get started. So, the very first thing we're going to do is put both our hands in front of us. In the song, you're going to hear when to do it because it's very obvious. So you're just going to hear the song and you'll get it. So, hands, then you're going to put your right palm up, then left one, then your right hand goes on your shoulder, left hand goes on your shoulder. Let's go up to there and then we'll go on. So, hands forward, right palm, right hand, left hand. And after this, we're going to put one hand on our head, right one, and then left one. And then right, left. So we're putting our hands over here on our tummy. So first right, then left. So let's do it from the very beginning again. So hands forward, right hand up, right, left, right, left. And now we're going to do this. And now we're going to put our hands down. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just count to 10 and then you'll see that you have all of the movements so you don't skip any, and that's it. So let's do it again from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. And then hands down. So after this, what we're going to do is 1, 2. That's it. Our hands go up and down. 2 times. 1, 2. And then after this, we're going to pretend we have a drum here. Just pretend this is a drum, and then we're going 1, 2. Right hand, left hand. Now, let's start from the very beginning. So, hands forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, after this, what we're going to do is twist our leg. So it's going to look like this, 1, 2. So, how to do it? We're just going to put our hands forward like this in front of us. And then our right leg is slightly in front of us like this. And then we're just going to bend our right hand like this. And we're going 1, 2. Once again. 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. That's it. So let's start from the very beginning, and then we have a few movements left, and that's it. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. So after this, we are gonna look to the side. We only move our head. We don't move either our hands or our legs, only our head. So we're gonna look to the side, look back to the camera, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, just pretend we're playing the guitar, just however you would play it, because there's no specific movement, so just do it however you want to. 1, 2, then we're gonna cross our hands like this, 1, 2, and then we're going to play the guitar again, and after that you can do whatever you want. So that's it. So let's start from the very beginning 3 times. 2 of them a little bit slower and then 1 faster. So this is not going to be too fast, so you're going to get it easily, but let's just do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and then for 3, 4, do whatever you want. So let's do it from the very beginning again, slowly, well, just how we did it before, and then faster. So hands forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now whatever you want. So now we're just going to do it a little bit faster, but it's not that fast. So don't worry, it's going to be okay. And now let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, comment what dance you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!